What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back for yet another video. I know, long time no talk, I know. Don't give me a hard time. I have been really busy this week, and then we've had a bunch of days where it's been rainy, so I have actually only gotten to mow yesterday and today. So I'm very behind, as you can imagine, and so I am just running 90 miles an hour right now. So anyway, guys, as you can tell from the title, I want to talk to you about the vents in my enclosed trailer. I have two of them, one right here, and another one up more near the front, right up there. And so, guys, I absolutely love these vents, even without the fans. The fans are we'll talk about that in a minute, but the MaxxCool vents themselves are amazing. The equipment was not running right, so I made the decision to just go ahead and get some vents put in. This trailer did come with a couple small side vents, but they were not doing the job properly. So I went ahead and had the company where I bought the trailer from, shout out to Cargo Trailer Sales in Lansdale. They did a really nice job in installing these two vents, and also, of course, they had to run electric, wiring, and whatnot in order to get the fans working. They did a super nice job, and I'm very thankful for it. I can literally turn them on in between yards, and when I get to the next yard, the interior temperature of the trailer will be the same as outside. So I think that's pretty amazing, even though, as you guys saw, the fans are not very big at all, but they really can move some air for sure. I'm very thankful for that, and they're not loud at all. Not loud at all. There's one. There's two. Not. You hear that, guys? Not loud at all. And then we have the MaxxCool rain covers, or whatever you want to call them, over the white flaps, so we can drive with them open. I leave them open 24/7, just to keep air flowing, even when the fans aren't on, just to keep air flowing all the time. So I never even shut the vents themselves. Can you hear them? I'm like right outside the gate. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Here's a little sneak peek of the next video. That's right, it's the Exmark Pioneer 25-hour review. I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts, good and bad, and what I think about it, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And you know what, guys, can you do me a favor? Leave me a comment down below. I am trying to figure out how I can hook up my GoPro onto the roll bar, because that would really give you guys some great point of view shots, and then I could make a whole epic mowing video just with that and a few other angles. It would be really sweet. I can't figure out how to do that, so, and I don't want to drill a hole through it. So if there was any other way, guys, leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode of Caleb's Property Maintenance. Have a great day.